Fewer COVID-19 cases is encouraging news, and it has a lot of people thinking about reopening schools. On Friday, the CDC released its guidelines for bringing students back to the classroom. The update discusses the need for proper masking, distancing, ventilation, and building cleaning. But now local school divisions are left wondering how much this is all going to cost. Connor Rhiel got some reaction.
This is looking at return on investment. The initial estimates we're seeing out there are the cost of school closures far outweigh the benefits in terms of infectious reductions.
Old Dominion University professor of economics Bob McNabb says paying for schools to reopen is not a matter of if, but simply a matter of when. And if that when is too late, it could be a much larger bill.
The problem is that we really observe the COVID costs. We see people who are sick. We don't observe the cost in terms of learning outcomes, in terms of mental health, until much, much later.
So it's no surprise McNabb supports the Committee of Education and Labor, including a $130 billion investment for reopening schools safely in the American Rescue Plan stimulus package. The chair of that committee, Congressman Bobby Scott. Schools' reopening decisions should not be based on politics. They should be based on whether schools can comply with CDC's science-based guidelines. Congress must make necessary investments to help schools take steps needed to safely reopen for in-person instruction, Scott said in a statement. He also highlighted the particular need for funding in low-income areas. Again, McNabb agrees.
Those gaps will only intensify because the students who live in districts with the resources will be back in-person instruction quicker.
It's not just masks, barriers, and cleaning equipment either. McNabb says renovated ventilation systems and increased staff also make the receipt. In Norfolk, I'm Connor Rhiel, 13 News Now.